Hey guys, welcome back to another video of the Plant-Based Bros. Okay, today we are making the making one other than the Ondeh-Ondeh.
Yes,
it's a Kueh that's amazing. So let's start with the ingredients.
So we need about a bunch of pandan, but this is special because you know what? It's homegrown. So yeah, if you have any homegrown pandans, just wash it and it's all good.
Okay, next
now
we have the none other than the Gula Melaka.
And it's fresh. So,
but
yeah,
here we already have it chopped. So this one's fresh and it's store-bought as well. That's what it looks like. And
we have some glutinous rice flour. Oh yeah.
And
tapioca flour.
Yeah, tapioca flour.
So the first step is to cut the bunch of pandan that you have into our thermal mix. You can use a blender, it's fine. Just cut it all up. Those were nice like that. Yeah, kill the pandans. Oh wow, they're strong. Yeah, so you're gonna wanna cut a lot. You may use more strength.
Yeah, and you wanna blend it till it has a smoothie-like texture. So we're gonna start off with how many minutes should we do it?
Yeah, maybe we need less than a minute.
Yeah, let's try a minute at speed 5.
Okay. Yeah. I'm not going. And just need to cut.
Nearly done.
There we go. We need a smoothie like consistency as my brother.
So you wanna also put water in your blender.
Okay.
So how many minutes do you wanna do again? 1 minute.
Here we are. The pandan extract is ready, and like we said, it has to be a smoothie like consistency. So yeah, I'm just gonna flip it and put it down. So.
We're only using the extract part,
So we're just gonna sieve it out.
Okay, so
that's all.
This is what. Sorry, wait a second. This is what we're using. This extract like thing. So here we have some glutinous rice flour and 1 tablespoon of tapioca flour. So what we're gonna do is
we're gonna start by putting the tapioca inside, and we're gonna mix it.
1 tablespoon,
and then start mixing it.
Oops. Okay, so that's 1 tablespoon, and pour out a little bit.
So
you want to start mixing
it, and then so you're gonna want to put a little bit extract at a time. Just not too much.
Just little by little, and then keep mixing it. Sorry. Just
like
keep mixing it.
And then you're gonna wait a while. Yeah.
See, it's starting to get sticky. That's what you want. That like sticky texture, like dough actually.
So you're gonna mix it a bit more quicker than before.
So here we are, and we've put the pandan extract. You have to do it very slowly
and make sure it's all kneaded together. So he's gonna remove the dough from the spatula. Now I'm just gonna add a little spoonful of our extract. Yeah, just a little bit.
Okay, just a little bit, and you wanna start kneading it together.
Nice and slowly. Yeah, just gonna run over a few times and should be good to go. So I'm gonna put a bit more. Use a spoon.
You don't want it to be crumbly. You want it smooth and sticky. So
maybe just a bit more of pandan extract. Just a tiny. Always remember to clean up after yourself. That's always a good tip for a good chef. Yeah. Alright, so knead.
So I've already kneaded it. So all I want to do is take not too much, just a little bit like this.
Around the same size as your thumb.
Still make a sphere. Well, using the a ball or sphere. Then press it down like that.
It's gonna make a cup shape.
Then, because this is very sticky, so you just want to beat this Gula Melaka, one of my favorite things to eat, but
Yeah, so
yeah.
just a bit more. That's enough.
That's enough, and put it around like that.
Pinch your top. And then gently, ever so gently, roll it back into a ball. And there you go. Yep. Show it.
It looks amazing, but there's still a bit of Gula Melaka coming out, but don't worry, we have a lot of those, so okay.
So we're gonna keep doing it until we completed everything. So yeah, after that we're just gonna boil it. Alright, so we are nearly done. And you're gonna want to have a pot of boiling water standing by. Look, there's almost no more space on the plate and it's sticking real quickly, so have a look at that. Some of it is quite messy because you can see the Gula Melaka has stuck to our hands. So we're just gonna bring it over and so they're already done. As you can see, they're floating up. So you're gonna want to make sure there's no more.
Try to scoop too.
Water. Yeah, you're gonna want to do more than one. But now's the best time to put it in our skinless coconut, which is another great ingredient because it sticks. So Kyla, if you could
and it's already steamed, so yeah, please steam.
It's a steamed skinless coconut. So Kyla, if you could help.
Is the flour very hot? So yeah, just gonna mix it up there with the coconut. So I'm gonna add a bit more. It looks amazing.
Yeah. Alright, we're ready for our second batch. Those ones that are not that great, I guess, but they're still beautiful. Can you go grab them?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, just keep adding until there's no more, because the hotter they are, the easier they stick. Nearly done. And that's our last one. Yeah.
Okay, so just mixing it up here.
没有了。还有啊，这个是不是很好看？ Alright, so it's finally complete, and you know what? It's time for a taste test. So, Kyla, you're the youngest, so why don't you go first? It's a bit hot there. I think I can have one more. Look, you see the Gula Melaka here?
Amazing. See you in our next video. Thank you guys. Please like and subscribe.
Thanks, boys.